Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Miscellaneous Exercises Part 2. Here I've presented some various exercises from the different strands to help you with your revision. And this is the first slide, and I'll leave it on for say 10 to 15 seconds. You can choose to answer the questions on a sheet of paper or anywhere you like, and you can pause this video at any stage for as long as you want. This is slide number 2. Slide number 3. And here are the answers now. This is the first slide with the answers on it. And if you want to pause it, please do so for as long as you want. And here is the next slide with the answers. And here is the last slide with the answers. And you may have chosen to simplify the fractions, so 2 on 10 can be simplified to 1 on 5, and the same for all these ones here. That's the complete answer, but these are all correct. But if you chose to simplify it, that's fine.